This is KT-Link new padlock, KT-P58. It can be used by bicycle. Let me show you how to use it. This is the lock button. Press this button, padlock will be locked. Padlock is using CR123 battery. Our default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then press the backside button. Padlock is opened. You can tie this steel rope to tree, pole, or bike. Insert one side of steel rope into padlock and press the lock button. The padlock is closed now. If you want to unlock it, you have to input password or by using TTLock app in mobile phone.